Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to discuss about the components of pneumatic system. The pneumatic system is one in which the air is used as air or a gas is used as a working fluid. And for that reason, the air should be compressed and stored, and later it will be made to flow through the circuit in order to have the working from the pneumatic system. Further, we'll see the components each. Okay, this is the flow line diagram where the components we can see, and the actual diagrams we have seen here. This is the compressor winds and that flow and the regulation and lubrication unit, that one. Okay, that is whatever the fluid is there, that should be regulated and lubricated. All the things are there because here the air we are going to use in the system, and that's why all the moving parts are to be externally lubricated. And later the air compressor comes piping from that apparel unit here. Again, the whatever the connections are required, valves are required, actuators, all these are the parts. Okay, those in the line diagram you can see here. Here, the air is taken from the atmosphere and through the air filter it is supplied to a compressor. The compressor is run by the motor, electrical motor or any other, that is prime mover we can use. Okay, like a internal combustion engine, which will compresses the air to the higher pressure and the temperature. And high pressure air is cooled by using the air cooler because of it is having the higher temperature after the compression. Then that is sent to a storage reservoir where the compressed air is stored. Then after that, the, it will be supplied to a flow fuel regulation and that lubrication unit. And there the all the performance it will be does. All the performance it does that one. Then after that it will goes to the direction control valves and where the direction of the flow of the air is controlled. And again the positions are shown similar to that of the hydraulic system. One is off, second is forward, and third is return. Okay, in the forward stroke, what happens is the piston extracts, and here the flow of the air will be there, and this side air whatever is there that will be returned through the direction control valve. And in the return, okay, the air is flowing at the top. The piston okay, retracts air from the bottom side of the piston that will be returning through the direction control valve. And when the position is 1, there is no flow of the air in the system. Okay, then the air whatever here, it will not return to the any storage. Directly air is exhausted after doing the work, and that is an advantage here. The additional that in the pneumatic system, the additional oil is not required, additional any other working fluid is required, not required. The air from the atmosphere is taken in the system and that is exhausted to the atmosphere after doing the work. That advantage this pneumatic system is having, and pneumatic system is and less costlier and less whatever the compact compared to the less complex compared to the hydraulic system. These components will explain one by one. The pneumatic systems which consist of the similar components of the hydraulic systems. The first one is that instead of storage, air tank is used to store the given volume of the compressed air. The second one, a compressor. Instead of the pump, the compressor is used to compress the air that comes directly from the atmosphere. And third one, an electric motor or other prime mover to drive the compressor. The electric motor or the internal combustion is used in for the mobile these pneumatic systems. And valves to control the air direction, pressure, and the flow rate. The valves are used. The fifth one, actuators, which are similar in operation to the hydraulic system. Here, the linear actuators we have discussed in the basic components. Further, the rotary actuators also we are going to discuss in the further sessions. Next, last one, the piping to carry the pressurized air from one location to the another that will be carried out. Okay, like this, the pneumatic system are having these many components for the system so that it will work perfectly and as per the required function. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and